Hey guys, what's up? It's Sam. I feel like it has been so long since I filmed a video. I've been quite busy lately. I got a new job, have been just kind of like shifting things around in my life lately, but in a really great way. So all positive things, but unfortunately I've been quite busy. However, I'm back. I'm here, get ready for more videos, and I'm quite excited about today's because I am unboxing my summer Fabfitfun. If you guys don't know, I've been working with Fabfitfun since around this time last year, and it has been so wonderful. Every single box I've gotten has just been so fun, which I guess is in the name. But on top of that, I feel like over the last year, I've used every single one of these products till the very last drop. I have found so much usage for everything I've gotten so far, so it's been really amazing, very exciting. If you guys want to join, you can sign up with my links below. I will also put the codes on the screen if you want to reference those as well. Very exciting stuff. I absolutely have loved working with them. And also, honestly, like, side note, I work in influencer marketing if you guys didn't know that, but their team is incredibly nice. So like, big shout out to them. So just know when you order one of these boxes, like, the people behind it who are like working at the company are very kind. Let's get into it. I feel like you guys have heard enough of the like rambling and everything, right? We can do a different video where I get ready, I talk about my new job a little bit, we catch up. But today, very specifically, we're gonna focus on Fabfitfun, seeing the goodies that are gonna help us prepare for summer, which is very needed. I don't know about you guys, but today in Chicago, it is like 80 degrees. So, which is unseasonable. I mean, I can't complain. It's been like 30, 40, so it's been a little bit terrible, but right now it feels like summer. As always, my socials are linked down below. My Instagram is samantha.hope. That's the one I've been most active on, but honestly, I've taken a break from like all social media lately, and it's been very nice. Again, I can give you guys a little bit of an update on that in a different video, but let's get into the Fabfitfun of it all, because that's probably what you're here for, right? Do not forget to subscribe down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, obviously you can purchase the box with the links down below as well. And yeah, let's get into it. Dun 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 dun. I always love seeing the little design. Yeah, okay. I have one single acrylic nail because I don't have like a nail on that finger, which is kind of gross, but I always get scared I'm gonna rip it off. Gross. Fun fact about Sam. Oh my god, that is so cute. Guys, how absolutely darling is that? That is so fun. Oh my god, it's their 50th box. How freaking cute. This design is absolutely everything. Let's get into it. As always, this is in no particular order. We're just gonna go off what's on the top. First item, I think I know what this is. Oh my god, guys, how pretty is this? This is an anklet. I know anklets aren't for everyone. However, I am a fan of anklets, especially during the summertime. Just how absolutely cute is this? That is so fun, so cute. It's from Set in Stones, and this is such a beautiful jewelry holder. Like, I don't know, that's so cute. I'll probably put this on right after the video, but no free feet. How cute is that though? Love an anklet. I think we're gonna stay with a theme for a moment because it sounds interesting. Oh my goodness. These are absolutely gorgeous. And it's a collab with Fabfitfun, so that's so cute. These are genuinely so adorable. Sorry, I keep on bobbling them and probably annoying to hear. They're like these little like opalescent pearl type things. Also, if you use Fabfitfun at our spare change, you get 20% off. So heads up if you want that deal. Next item. Okay, I'm such a fan of these things. This is just an exfoliating body sponge for when you shower. I know some of these things aren't as like sexy as other ones, and we're gonna get more into that part because I already saw a sneak peek of what's coming next, but this is the reality of summer, okay? People don't talk about it. It's not sexy, it's not flirty, but in order to look sexy and flirty, you have to put in the work, which means exfoliating. If you are someone who has like a fear of the sun like me, I'm always slathered in sunscreen. I used to allow myself to get a little sun-kissed, and now I've like such a fear of it. So I am always trying to find ways to still look tan, which is typically just a spray tan, right? So obviously the process of doing that is a lot of exfoliation, a lot of prep for it in order for it to last long. So big fan of this. We'll absolutely be using this, of course. I'm also such a big fan of just like feeling incredibly clean. Like, this is such an everything shower product. Very excited about this. Speaking of our everything showers, okay, again, not sexy, not flirty, but real. This is real. This is a hair and bikini trimmer, and it's gonna get used because I'm a human being. You can use it. I was looking at like little side. It doesn't just have to be for like your bikini. You can use it other places as well, like your armpits and stuff. It's a reality of being a human being. I'm excited for this. I think it'll be incredibly useful, and I'm sure it'll help in case of like anything, like, you know, anyone who has issues with getting like razor burn and stuff. I think this is a better approach and probably a little bit safer. You can use it wet or dry. I will absolutely be using this, but my other thought, and this is maybe not the way you're supposed to use it, so sorry Fabfitfun, but I have a very sweet Saint Bernard who gets little Grinch feet, and she cannot stand to be groomed by anyone. So I'm hoping maybe I could use this instead of for me, for her and her little Grinch toes that she hates getting groomed. I think this could be far more beneficial for her than for me maybe. So I'm considering that. I'll keep you guys updated if Winnie lets me do that. Another item from Aerie. Guys, this is so cute. All right, this one I did know I was probably getting because obviously they need your sizing info, but how cute is this? For reference, I got a size medium. I could have gotten a small probably, but I think medium is also perfectly fine. Yeah, no, this is so cute. This is gonna be so comfortable for like working out. I'm trying to learn to love running. It hasn't happened yet, but we'll get there maybe one day. However, I do like a little Pilates class. I have a little reformer that I like to use as well. So this will be just incredibly cute. The color is obviously so perfect for the summer. It feels really nice. The material is very buttery and I like that. I have a few like tops for working out that I've ordered, and then the material just feels really tight and constrictive, and I just hate that feeling when I'm like gasping for air, because again, I'm trying to learn how to like running and I'm not good at running, which means I am like dying each time I do it. This will be good. This is nice and soft. I definitely think there's still support in here, so don't necessarily take that in the wrong way, but I will advise if you are someone who needs more support, I would maybe, especially if you're in between sizes, I would go lower, so like I'd size down. That way you'll know you have that support, but I think you're fine either way. I wouldn't worry too much about it, but just a heads up in case someone finds that helpful. This last product I'm crazy excited about. So confession time. I myself have never owned an Olaplex product. In college though, I had a roommate who had Olaplex shampoo, and I was looking at it while in the shower and I was like, she won't miss just a little bit of it, right? And then I did use it, and then I did wind up telling her I used it, and she was like, oh, that's fine, I don't care. And then I felt really bad. But it was really wonderful, and it almost inspired me to purchase it myself, but I didn't. I've been like holding out. It's so expensive, but this is the Olaplex 4D Clean Volume Detox Dry Shampoo. It seems like any other dry shampoo, but we're gonna give it a test. Why not? We're here, right? This is second day hair, so can always use it. Immediately, I will say the scent isn't scary. There are some dry shampoos where the scent like actually kills me. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna get cancer from dry shampoo. It's gonna happen one day. And this doesn't smell like that. It says to wait 30 seconds, so we're gonna wait the 30 seconds. I also am bad at guessing how many seconds is 30 seconds. Do you think we're there yet? You then just massage it into your hair. That feels really, really nice. It feels incredibly light. I didn't notice like any powder with it, so I'm guessing it's probably more like alcohol based. So definitely depending on what you like more, you might have a preference for this or something else, but this smells so good. It feels really light, which I like. I think this is probably best in my opinion, and I'll give it more time, but probably for like second or third day hair, but I don't know that this would do a significant job because it's not super powdery. I don't know that this would do anything crazy for anything beyond that, right? I'm someone who really can't go past like second or third day hair, so this is perfectly fine for me. But for those of you who can brave it out, this might work for you up until a point, and then you might have to switch to something else. That is just my initial review, so I could be completely wrong. If you've tried this out, let me know if you agree or disagree with that. All right, guys, our final roundup. I'm so excited about everything in this box. I feel so prepared for summer, and I still can't get over the design on the box. It's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, as always, if you want to purchase one of these boxes, I will have my links down below. If you guys have any questions on how these items have held up or any kind of like use questions or whatever, feel free to ask them. I will try my best to answer them for you guys, and I will catch you guys in my next video, which will likely be an update slash get ready with me. So if you are excited to see that, do not forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys later. Bye.